Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to pop in and show you how you can easily personalize and edit fillable PDFs. So today I'm actually working on some printable Easter egg tokens, and they will be listed in the shop. And once I have them listed, you can I'll add a link. I'm sorry to it as in the description box. So once you get this particular PDF, it'll look like this, and all of these little blue spaces here indicate that it is a fillable form. Now, if you don't want to type into the form, if you can just print it, and the blue spots will not print off when you do it. And if you just print it, that allows you just to write in. But if you actually want to type your text in yourself, all you would need to do is click on it and start typing. So say for instance, if I wanted to put bubble bath here, I could do that. Now, if I wanted to go in and actually change the font that was used, then all you would need to do is go to on your keyboard, hit Control plus the letter E, which will pop up this field. You can see that this field defaults to Helvetica 12. So if I wanted to bump up the font to a larger font size, I could simply click the drop down arrow and select what size I want. If I wanted to change the font, then I would just scroll down till I get to the font that I'm looking for. Now, one thing to note is that what's listed on your form, these drop down, is might be different from mine because it's based on the fonts that you have installed on your particular computer that you're working on. So I'm going to pick the Be Kind monoline font as an example, and I'm gonna move that up there, and I'm gonna put um I'm gonna put concert ticket. Okay, so if I wanted to keep this font style, I would have to go in and do the same thing for each one of these, or you can highlight your text, click Control C on your keyboard for copy, and then click inside the next one, and then press Control V, and then highlight it and start typing something else. So if I wanted to say 10 extra minutes of screen, well, see, that's too much because I got my fonts too big. So either I would have to change my font size to fit in there or go for something shorter. So say if I wanted to put $10 there, I could do that. And you would have to do the same thing if you wanted to keep the font. But because if I go over here and start typing on this next one, it's going to go back to the default. It's not going to the default on this one because I had already typed something, and I was using the Be Kind display and 18. So that's why you see that here. So if I say a bunny there, but if I go to here, it's going to default back to that Helvetica. And so either I would copy one of these items here that I've already had and it's formatted the way I want, or I would go back up to this little form field, select my drop down, select the font that I want, and select the font size as well. So let's just do something different. And I'm going to type here, and I'm going to type jelly beans. So if you wanted to get creative and use all different font styles here, you can. You also can change the color, and by changing the color, you would just click over here where it says text. If you hover over, it says text color, and you could pick something different. So if I wanted that to be blue, I could do that. And okay. So, and you would just keep going till you filled out, you got your form like you like it. Um, and this works for any fillable PDF that you have, not just for this one. Anytime you see those blue fields when you open up a PDF document, that lets you know that that is a fillable space. And like I say, the space, if you decide not to print anything here, it won't show. These little form spaces won't show on there. It'll just be white on there. Okay, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. And like I say, these little Easter tokens will be available in the shop very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Happy creating. Bye-bye.